What if the most powerful weapon against cancer isn't found in a multi-billion-dollar laboratory, but was hidden in a single tiny word in the book of Isaiah? Most Bible readers skip over a small plant called fitches, but ancient healers and modern scientists are discovering that this humble seed contains a smart molecule that can actually distinguish between a healthy cell and a cancer cell. Today, we are uncovering the unbelievable biblical secret to fighting cancer that almost no one is talking about. Welcome to the Biblical Remedy. In the book of Isaiah, chapter 28, verses 25 and 27, the prophet speaks of a specific agricultural practice. He mentions a plant called fitches. While modern translations often call it black cumin or Nigella sativa, the original Hebrew refers to a seed that was so valuable it was beaten out with a staff rather than a heavy wheel to protect its precious oils. For thousands of years, this was known in the East as the seed of blessing. But it wasn't until the last decade that oncology researchers discovered why. Hidden inside this tiny black seed is a miracle compound called thymoquinone. Modern science has found that thymoquinone is a biological masterpiece. It possesses a unique property called selective toxicity. Most chemotherapy treatments are like a sledgehammer. They kill everything in their path, both the cancer and your healthy cells. But thymoquinone acts like a smart bomb. It has the ability to identify the abnormal metabolism of a cancer cell and trigger its destruction while leaving your healthy, vibrant cells completely untouched. This is a level of precision that modern medicine is only beginning to dream of, yet it was growing in the fields of the ancient Israelites. The first secret of the fitches or black seed is its ability to inhibit metastasis. This is the process where cancer spreads from one part of the body to another. Clinical studies have shown that thymoquinone can actually block the enzymes that cancer cells use to break through tissues and enter the bloodstream. By locking the cancer in place, the black seed gives the body's own immune system the time it needs to identify and eliminate the threat. Isaiah spoke of the fitches being harvested with care, and today we see that this care was necessary to preserve the very oil that prevents the spread of disease. The second secret lies in the immune reset. The Bible often speaks of the oil of joy and the oil of healing. Black seed oil has been proven to increase the activity of natural killer cells, the elite soldiers of your immune system. In patients with compromised immunity, the active compounds in Nigella sativa have been shown to reboot the bone marrow's production of white blood cells. It doesn't just fight the cancer, it builds a fortress around your entire biological system. This is the remedy that the prophets knew, a food that heals the body by empowering the design of the Creator. But the Bible points to an even more mysterious property of this seed. Isaiah 28 says that his God doth instruct him to discretion and doth teach him. This implies that the knowledge of how to use these plants was a direct revelation from the Creator. Modern science is now discovering that black seed oil works in synergy with other biblical foods, like raw honey. When combined, the honey acts as a Trojan horse, carrying the powerful thymoquinone directly into the cancer cells, which crave the natural sugars in honey. Once inside, the thymoquinone is released, destroying the cancer cell from the inside out. This honey and black seed protocol is one of the most exciting areas of natural oncology research today. The third secret of the black seed is its impact on inflammation signaling. We now know that cancer is a disease of chronic, out-of-control inflammation. The Bible speaks of the fitches being used for flavoring and for medicine. Thymoquinone is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories ever discovered. It blocks the NF-kappa B pathway, the master switch for inflammation in the human body. By turning off this switch, the black seed cools down the body, removing the very fire that allows cancer to ignite and grow. In the ancient world, the black seed was said to cure everything but death. While that sounds like an exaggeration, modern science has confirmed its benefits for the heart, the lungs, the liver, and the brain. But its most miraculous work is done in the dark, quiet corners of the cellular world, where it quietly repairs DNA and restores order to the biological system. The prophet Isaiah was not just talking about farming. He was revealing a divine technology for human survival. The biblical remedy is about returning to the instruction of the Creator. We live in a world that is overwhelmed by synthetic solutions that often cause more harm than good. But the black seed, the fitches of Isaiah, is a testament that the most powerful remedies are often the smallest and most humble. It is a reminder that God has placed a smart medicine in the palm of your hand. So how can you use this secret today? You can find organic cold-pressed black seed oil, Nigella sativa, in most health stores. Look for oil with a high thymoquinone content. Just a small amount, taken with a spoonful of raw honey, can activate the selective toxicity that science is now marveling at. But as you take it, remember the words of Isaiah. Remember that it is God who doth instruct and doth teach. The Bible is the ultimate manual for your restoration. From the tiny seeds in the field to the deepest mysteries of your DNA, the message is clear. You are not alone in your fight for health. The Creator has provided the remedy. Subscribe to the Biblical Remedy for more hidden secrets from the Word of God that modern science is finally uncovering. Thank you for watching, and may you be restored by the seed of blessing.